Today I'm working on a very common smart Roadster issue. I'm upgrading the earth cable, a simple and inexpensive modification that can fix a lot of annoying electrical problems. If your Roadster has been acting strange lately, this is definitely something you should check. Many smart Roadster owners experience weak or inconsistent starts, random warning lights, and electrical issues that appear and disappear without any clear reason. In most cases, the problem isn't the battery, and it's not the starter motor either. The real issue is often the earth cable. From the factory, this cable is very thin, and after years of heat, moisture, and corrosion, it simply can't handle the electrical load properly anymore. A poor ground connection causes voltage drops, which leads to unstable electronics and unreliable engine starts. Let's see together how we can fix this problem.
If your earth cable looks like this, then most likely you have some electrical issues with your smart. But don't worry, we have an upgrade for you. This is a new earth cable available in our store. You can find link down in description. Let me show you how to upgrade it. In order to get it out, use 10mm socket. So we will just start with the upper part. That side is disconnected. Now the other side is going on the transmission part. You can see it down below. So easiest way to approach is go under the car and approach it from that side. So as you can see, other part is on transmission mount. We need E11 for this. Once we have it out on both sides, now it's time to pull it out. You see how bad it looks. Here is comparison, new one, old one. Let's put it on floor. They are same in size, but as you can see, this is completely dead and this is a brand new one. So let's install new one. So what I'm gonna do, I will pass it over TIK pipe, this one. It was under before. Now I will put it above just to have less heat on new cable. It is same procedure, you just push new one over, just push it like this, and then you put screw back. Don't tie it yet. And now let's pass the cable to new position. Just like that. It's a little bit hard, but yeah. Now let's keep it like this. And let's connect bottom part now. Here you can see the bottom part. Now I will center it and I will put the screw, and that should be it. Here it is in place. Now let's make it tight. We have new earth cable installed and in place at the bottom. And this is how it looks on the top. As you can see, I just pass it above TIK, not like before, to touch the exhaust. After all these changes, let's check if everything is okay. Let's try to start the car. What I can notice, there is no white smoke anymore. Steady revolutions. Regarding throttle response, it's immediate. It even sounds different. So this is well upgrade for the man.
That's it for today's earth cable upgrade. It's a small and inexpensive fix, but it can make a huge difference in how your smart Roadster starts and behaves electrically. If this video helped you, give it a like and let me know in the comments if you've had similar electrical issues on your Roadster. Next week, I'll be fixing another common smart Roadster problem, so make sure you're subscribed and I'll see you in the next one.